Furry Lewis was first recorded in the 20s. He was part of the early blues recordings, 20s and 30s. And then he wound up with a job sweeping Beale Street in Memphis, Tennessee. He worked for the sanitation department. And in 1958, Samuel Charters, a blues writer, re-encountered him. And then in the early 60s, a bunch of the Memphis folkies who were getting into the blues took Furry as their emblem in a way, and Furry enjoyed a whole second career opening shows for the Rolling Stones and other people, and having some newfound celebrity. He ends up appearing in like a Burt Reynolds film and on Johnny Carson, and he always played this really great bottleneck blues style. He was a slide guitar player, had a real country blues feel. He had come up in medicine shows, and so he knew a lot about how to entertain an audience. So I'm sure when he walked out on that stage, that time I saw him in front of 50,000 rednecks who were there to hear the Rolling Stones, he had no problem putting that audience in the palm of his hand.
See me laughing, laughing, keep crying. Now, come right down.